Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Happy Raja to everyone. Today I will make Chhena Poda, which is the most famous dessert of Odisha, that to be within 3 ingredients. So let's start. So for that we need milk. Here I took 250 milliliter of milk. Then lemons and sugar. Instead of sugar you can use jaggery. So these are the 3 ingredients from which we will make Chhena Poda. First of all, we will boil the milk, but it should not be vigorously boiled. Now, as you can see, milk is boiled to a point. We will use lemon. Instead of lemon, you can use vinegar. Now, we will squeeze the lemon to curdle the milk. Now you can see it is curdling. Now we have to separate the water. So now we will transfer it by using a muslin cloth, so that the water will completely transfer. Now we will transfer this chhena and we will keep aside so that the water will completely come out. Now let's see. As you can see, there is no water left. And now what we have to do, we have to prepare a mixture. So I took a bowl and I took 2 teaspoons of sugar. And I have to mix this chhena with this sugar. While preparing Chhena Poda, some of the people they try to mix suji, semolina. So if you want you can add, but I am not adding this. As you can see, it's more like a dough but less like a cake mixture. So it's like just like a dough we have to prepare. Now it's ready. This will be its consistency. Now I took a tin. With the help of ghee I will grease it. Now I sprinkle some wheat. Instead of that you can use butter paper or baking paper. And excess wheat we have to keep aside. Now the dough which I prepare, I set it in a perfect shape. So already I kept water for preheat. Now I will keep the stand and I will keep the dough for baking, and we have to wait for 15 minutes. So Now after 15 minutes we will check. I think it's completely ready, but still I have to check. So now I will use a knife, and as you can see, it's not sticky. That means it's completely prepared. So now I will serve. I just garnish with some almonds. So our Chhena Poda is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.